Hey everyone, if you are planning a trip to Vietnam and you are Indian passport holder, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to walk you through entire process of obtaining Vietnam e-visa. From application to receiving your e-visa, I have got you covered. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what is Vietnam e-visa. The e-visa is electronic travel authorization document that allows you to enter Vietnam for tourism, business or any other short-term purpose. It's valid for 30 days and can be obtained entirely online, which means no need to visit embassy or consulate. Let's discuss eligibility criteria. Indian citizens are eligible to apply for Vietnam e-visa. However, ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months from your date of entry and it has at least one blank page for stamping. Here is what all you need to apply: a valid passport, a digital passport size photo, a scanned copy of your passport's biographical page, a valid email address, a credit or debit card with international transaction activated for payment. Remember, flight bookings or hotel booking confirmations are not required, but you require exact date of entry, airport of entry, and your hotel address where you intend to stay after reaching Vietnam. No proof of this information is required while filling the visa application form, but the main part is your city of entry into Vietnam should be right. Now let's go through application process step by step. First, visit Vietnam official e-visa website. Click on Apply e-visa. Fill the required personal information including your passport details. Upload your passport size photo and scan passport page. Review all the details carefully to ensure accuracy. Submit the application. Here are some tips to keep in mind while filling the visa application form. First, visit official Vietnam e-visa website. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid any scams or additional charges. If you search Vietnam e-visa on Google, first few results on Google are sponsored sites. Please avoid those. I am putting a link of official website of Vietnam Immigration Department in the description. Make sure your photo meets the specific requirement. Double check that all information matches passport exactly. Another field in the visa application form is if there are any children attached to your passport. For Indians, there are no children attached in our own passport. So for children, you have to fill a separate passport application form. So don't put your children in the same application form. Once you have filled out the application form, it's time to make the payment. Fee is around 25 USD, payable online via credit or debit card. After the payment, you will receive confirmation email. Remember to turn on international transaction on your card before making the payment. Else you may require to start the filling out whole application form process again if payment is denied. After successful payment, you will receive registration code. Just copy the registration code. You will require it afterwards to track your visa application status. You can track your application status on the same e-visa website. Just enter your registration code, email address, date of birth. Processing usually takes between 3 to 5 working days. When your e-visa is approved, you will receive it via email. Download it, print it out, as you will need to present it upon arrival in Vietnam. Avoid these common mistakes. First, applying visa through non-official websites, entering incorrect passport details, using a photo that doesn't meet the specification, forgetting to print out your e-visa. Here are some frequently asked questions. What if information I have filled is wrong? I want to change dates or site of entry. You have to apply visa again. The fee is non-refundable. What if my visa status is still under process? Unless you get your approved visa, you cannot enter Vietnam. You can write message to Vietnam Embassy from Contact Us section or mail them regarding your problem. They are usually very helpful. What if my visa application is denied? If your application is denied, you can apply it again or contact Vietnamese Embassy for assistance. And that's it. Now you know how to obtain Vietnamese e-visa as an Indian citizen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy travels!